I'm gonna be making a nail wolf with my sister. Say hi, Elsa. Hi. Anyway, today we're gonna be making nail wolf. Oh my gosh. So I traded for the last full-grown wolf, so that's great. Oh. Okay. Yep, so look, full-grown, and
see, I'm just sitting here.
Full-grown. Oh my gosh. Alright, we're gonna make it. I can't get up. Ah. It's really confusing. Yeah, wait a minute, Elsa. Okay, guys, I'm gonna take a wee screenshot of me with my full-grown wolf out, and I'm gonna say full-grown. Alright. I'm gonna put one in. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah, just wait, Elsa. Alright, another wolfing, guys. OMG.
Are you in now?
Yeah.
I can see.
You're in a different server.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, guys, yay! Another wolf. Oh my gosh, and I gotta take a screenshot. Oh my gosh, this moment of finally came. The moment we've all been waiting for. The last Oh my gosh, I have to take a screenshot quickly. No way! Oh my god! Yeah! Guys, I got ourselves a neon wolf! OMG, this was so cute! Oh my god, yay! Yeah, Elsa, good idea. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Say hi, wolf. Hi, wolf. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button and